Hi fellow travelers!
Hello!
It's Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is Two's Traveling Tour.
Mexico!
Yes, we are back!
We're
we are
here.
back! So we just got to our room.
The check-in process was really nice too.
Yeah, it was.
It really wasn't a bother. I mean,
Not at all.
We had a lot of things to fill out. There was a health questionnaire involved as well, which is what you can expect, I mean, given that it is the time we're traveling. And everybody's been really nice.
Yeah.
And they gave me a few margaritas already.
Yeah, and you can probably tell.
Yeah, no sleep, no food, no 2 margaritas.
Kimberly is drunk.
A little bit.
Let's just get it out there.
A little bit. But this is our room, 1107.
Yep. And we are going to show you around.
Yes.
Alright, Kimberly, lead the way. If you can still walk, that is.
Okay, we have a beautiful room. The air conditioning definitely feels pretty good. I'm probably going to make it a little cooler in here, to be honest. We have a sink here. I'm walking around with you because I haven't really been through here yet.
Right. Yeah, I see the sink.
This is a toilet.
Is this a drawer or something? No, it's not a drawer. It's just a place to hang up your towels. Okay.
We have a toilet. We have a shower with lots of towels.
Lots of what?
Towels.
Oh yeah, you certainly...
But they're in the shower. That's odd.
Yeah, just so you can stay wet after you get wet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I guess this is where you hang towels.
Yeah, I suppose. Now this looks really nice, Kimberly.
Well, actually, we are privileged guests.
Oh yeah, hence the wristbands we got. We're privileged now.
Yes.
Privileged.
Yes. So that means, what privilege means right now. Okay, it's a little different than it has been in the past. Now, usually that includes an extra restaurant and some other benefits, but right now those are not available. But what we do get is top shelf liquor. We also get, I believe, a different section of the beach. We get better rooms as far as their location. And this is actually a junior suite. As you can tell by the couch and the chair and place for luggage. We have a desk over here. And I'm putting money that, yes!
Oh, what's that? What's that? That's the mini bar, right?
Yes!
That is a very important part. Whoa, 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 whoa. What does it say? Wait a minute. That is a sanitized mini bar.
Yes!
Oh, all right. Let's check it out.
Very clean. Let's see what's in here. We broke the seal.
Broke the seal.
Okay, we have Canada Dry. We have mango juice.
Do we have any light in here?
I'm sure we do. I haven't looked for lights yet.
All right, let's improvise.
We have beer. We have juice. We have sodas.
There we go.
I mean, wow.
Yeah, there is a lot in here.
And look, there is
sure.
some hard alcohol too.
Yeah, those little wee bottles out there.
Yeah. Now, is that regular water or is that sparkling water? Because I'm hoping it's sparkling.
I think is regular water, but we'll have to check that out.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a very fully stocked mini bar. That's great. Looks like we have a coffee bar here too. Wait a minute, what is this here? Is that like a whole coffee grinder?
No.
What is it?
I don't know what that is.
What is this device?
I don't know what
I recognize the coffee maker, but what is this device? It looks like a fresh ground coffee maker or something. Or maybe it's just a water cooker.
I don't know.
There's tea.
There's little things. There's stuff.
There is.
Now, let's take a look. This is the bed. And I am going to say this. It is black, blue, silver,
Oh.
which is Neil's colors.
Black, blue, silver. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the colors of our house. Now, this looks like it is a closet. Yes, it is. Let me see what we have here. We have some drawers, some space.
Yeah, this is a closet over here. Looks like where you can hang jackets and stuff. Oh, and the safe is here too, from what it looks like. Yep.
Yeah. I will say they've done things a little differently here. At the Capri last month, or the month before, they had everything in sealed baggies. I mean, this room is extremely clean, but everything is not in sealed baggies.
No.
So that's a little different. If that's important to you, you might want to look somewhere else. But for us, I mean, you can tell that everything's very clean.
Right.
And everything's been sanitized. They were very good about telling us about when they expect us to have masks and when they don't expect to have masks.
Yeah, they were very upfront with their
Very upfront.
rules and everything.
Yes.
So far, so good. Kimberly found something else she likes, which is just the wall, apparently.
And
It's just a wall.
enough margaritas, I start liking the walls.
Evidently. Now you may wonder, did we actually get a balcony with a nice view? That's what we're going to show you next.
Yes.
Onto the balcony we go. Kimberly leading the way once again. Oh, look at this, look at this. You know what, that's actually a really nice balcony.
Yeah. Although this is somebody else's balcony.
What, here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Oh, this is great. You have both the pool and the sea at the back. That's nice.
Yeah, we can see the ocean from here.
Yeah.
And we can see both pools.
I think you and I are going to have a lot of fun here.
Yeah, and I think we have a lot of exploring to do.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a lot to see. It's set up a little differently than some of the other resorts that we've been at. So you have the beach and the pools down on this end, and then we're going to have like more of the restaurants up on the other end. So there will be more walking,
Yes.
which considering the amount of food we're going to eat, which is probably a good thing.
Yes, get our exercise in.
Yes. But it looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful so far. And everybody has been so kind.
Yep. So far, so good.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a good old
Thumbs up.
And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Until next time, this is Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.